back.
Okay.
Wow, that was so in sync. Welcome to the makeup show thing with Brittany and Jessica. Do you want to look as pretty as us in all of our glory?
We will show you how.
In just a second. You sure you want one? Ew, I don't like olives. You would think that this would be lipstick, but apparently it's eyeshadow. And Brittany put it only on one fucking eye. Because I guess that's the trend nowadays. Come on, Brittany, come here. Let's do your makeup. Come on, there. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, let's brush it out of there. Yeah. Woo. It's the trend. Oh, there's a picture. Maybe if I press my eye hard enough on your other eye, it'll come off. Okay, do you want a filter?
Kind of.
Okay.
I kind of want to be a bear.
Okay, one second.
You can see where what is going. And makeup. Oh god. Are you just erasing all of the yellow that you just put on? No, I just wanted to see what the blue looks like over eyeshadow, and you can actually see both. It's actually really pretty. I feel like it's going into my eye. No, it's really pretty.
I just want to point out that it looks so different. It looks different. Barely. Light. Turn on the light. Go into the light. You can't really tell the difference.
You can tell in real life. You can.
I don't think so. Another thing we're gonna fuck up on my.
It's your turn. Do something to my face.
Ooh. I'll do something to your. First, I'm going to put on this stem cellular cream.
It's a cleanser.
Okay, so do you want?
It has to be washed off.
I am. All right, so instead, the first thing I'm gonna do is put on some beautiful lipstick. Are you okay there?
I can feel it go in my mouth.
What do you need more? It's like playing pin the nose on the donkey or whatever that is. Alright, so that's done. Now it's time for the glitter. Because we need more glitter in our life. We're girls.
You can never have enough.
You can never have enough glitter. Come on, just slather that on there. Continuing. Wow, look at how pretty that is.
It doesn't feel pretty. It feels like it's all over.
No.
Very confident. I know.
No, it looks great. You look fabulous. Hollywood. That's what's up. All right, so now it's time for the eyeshadow. That should be in another segment. Actually, I'm going to go in with a little bit of highlighter once I get this open. Because the highlighter will accentuate the eyeshadow. You need a proper brush for that. Brown goes with pink. All right, come here. Just sweep. Just sweep it. And sweep.
You sweep it like you sweep the leaves in your driveway.
And then you gotta like rub it.
Back and forth.
Side
to side.
Okay, and, just a little bit. Alright, then we'll do the other cheek. Oh wow, you look great. We'll do the bronzer in a second. You just do a little bit more. Alright. That's good. Alright, time for bronzer. You gotta like really rub it in so you get the pink out. Oh. And sweep it. Oh God! I mean, wow! It works wonders. Against your skin tone. Yeah. Yeah, that side looks great. All right, let's just a little bit more on this side. You gotta like feather it in. It's gotta be feathered because you want to make it look like artistic. You know, you want that.
That might be safer.
I'm guessing this is right. I don't know.
Okay, so we're just going to do a nice...
Oh, that's cold.
What are you talking about?
It's kind of cold.
It's really hard to do this when your face is not mine.
I would assume so.
Okay, hold on. Okay, and then we're gonna do a little wig. Oh shit. We're gonna do a little wig. And it's gonna go up like that. And it's gonna go like that. Perfect. Okay, one second. Finishing touch.
Yes.
Okay, so this was the finishing touch.
Boom. Oh. And adding more stars for the... All right. That looks scary. It looks like I'm a shooting star.
Okay, now this one, we're gonna go for a wicked wing. Like a big one. Bigger than the first one.
I don't know if you can get much bigger.
I can get as big as your butt if I wanted.
I do have a pretty big butt, not gonna
I
lie.
like big.
Butts I cannot lie.
Oh my god. Okay, hold on.
You other brothers can't deny when a girl walks in with an itty bitty waist and a round thing in your face.
And we're gonna go for a second one.
2 wings? Am I like a cockroach now? Like,
And then we're gonna...
I felt like there was like 7 wings.
Well, they're kind of blurred.
Okay. Ready? Dad?
Oh, for what?
More?
Oh, yeah, okay. So you've got stars on that one side.
Yes.
I'm gonna do... This eyeliner's dying. Hold on. Fuck.
I don't know what shape that is.
You will in a second.
I'm not making tater.
Why not? See, tested it.
You're eating tacos.
Tater tots go great with tacos.
Tater tots do go great with tacos.
Tater tots on tacos.
There you go, a really crappy massive heart.
Yay! The perfect stars on this side. It looks like the side of my eye is growing a heart out of here.
How do people do this for a living? Like, it is hard, isn't it? Putting makeup on somebody else. It's like being a child and learning how to color again. Actually, it doesn't look bad, actually. Looks better than me. I would go out like that. We should go out.
Do your eyeshadow.
Oh yeah, I only have one eye, don't I?
Nope, you took it off.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Dude, this is the best
Eyeliner, mascara.
mascara ever.
Well, we're not going to use that. We're going to use this.
You're gonna get that.
No, no, that's what. That is a lot of black on my face. Oh God!
I got to the other side.
This is a lot of trust I'm giving you right now.
You've known me for 25 years. Like, I should get all of the trust.
Yeah, because that's how it works, based on length of time.
I look like I'm suffering from the flu or pneumonia or something.
No, you just gotta rub it in.
My lips look so chapped, like I'm suffering from scurvy.
No, you just need a little bit more glitter.
Dehydration.
No, just glitter it up. Just, pounds of glitter.
I'm beautiful.
Anything pink and glittery just masks ugliness.
I'm a pretty princess.
Oh, I was trying to do it with this, like, for your eyeshadow. Oh, this is a better brush. Let's do it. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah.
There's no such thing as a blush brush or eyeshadow brush. They're all interchangeable.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter as long as you get the shit on your face. Pretty much.
That's a good base, I think. I don't like any of the colors here, so I'm going to use more bronzer.
You're a real rogue.
Yeah, I'm like a makeup expert.
Don't let them tell you how to do makeup.
Yeah, I'm gonna, climb mountains with my expertise.
Don't let the man tell you where the shit goes on your face. Just put it wherever you want.
Yeah, what do they know? They've only been doing this for like their entire life. And I mean, started now.
Just use the mascara to decorate your nose hairs.
Oh, that's a great idea. Time for some mascara. Oh, I was confused for a second. I was like, what? All right, time to make... See, this takes a lot of trust. I could poke you in the eye at any second.
I don't like this.
Yeah, neither did I. But you gotta trust me. Because I've known you for half of the shit we did. By adding more foundation. You gotta get rid of some, like, the, the stuff.
I like how you say adding more foundation. Like, we even put it on in the first one.
Yeah, we did it.
You're drooling.
Drool. Alright, now you're perfect.
Gorgeous.
Yeah.
What happened to the color?
Oh yeah, the color. Alright, so we're gonna use some red. We're gonna add it right here. And then we're gonna put a little heart right here. Beautiful. Look how cute that is. You got a little heart.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah. So now we gotta add a little bit more color. Just a little bit. I don't know what this is, but we're gonna use
Eyeshadow.
Oh, cool. We need more neutrals.
If you wet the
Just a little bit more color.
Hey, Paul, I'm so sorry. I just...
Nothing matches. Nothing sticks out against your face.
I told you, wet the brush. It'll go on really thick.
Wet it. Can I just smother it on your face, just itself? No. Oh, I like how this has a little bit of blue glitter on the left one. Because that was the one you put the blue glitter on. Yeah, well, I like it. So I'm just going to add a little bit to the other side. Just, like this. Dab, dab, dab. Dab, 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 dab. All over. And then you get, oh, that looks cute down here a little bit. There you go. It looks
Marvelous. Love it.
We need
I am
more
ready
glitter.
for a ball.
Yeah, more glitter.
I look more pretty than any bride ever.
Yeah, you need to get rid of some of this though. There we go. A little less blue.
Here, let me empower you. Do you feel empowered?
Not really. I feel like someone just wiped shit all over my face. Here. You want? Yeah. Hold on a second. This kind of doesn't look right. but I'm gonna empower you. You gotta get some for the under.
Skin longevity. Power infusion. Yum.
Yeah, see, and it says empowered. Empowered. Fortify. Renew your fasticles. Is your face renewed? Is it empowered?
I feel like
Revitalized.
smooth like a baby's bottom.
Oh, yeah? Mm-hmm. That's great because you look like a baby's bottom.
Yeah, thanks. You look like shit too.
Yeah. Woo. Can we turn this around? Come on there. Final product. Ooh, so pretty. Yeah. I think we did a pretty good damn job.
It looked good.
Yeah, we did a pretty good job. Kind of.